Okay guys, welcome back. Here's another try at the hydro dipping. As you can see, I'm going to be using a model car body this time. This body here, let me just give you the quick history on it. It just arrived with a trade one time with a friend. It was an extra bonus he slipped in. I don't know where he got it or why it's fluorescent orange. But that's the history on it. And all I have is the body. I don't have anything else. So it's a good thing for testing, a subject for testing hydro dipping. Now, I don't really want the fluorescent orange base coat, so what I'm about to do is spray paint it gray, and then we are going to hydro dip using this is a sparkly metallic black, and then this is chrome. And I hope to get some swirl or some kind of action going on there. And if any of the gray base shows up, that's fine. And so that's what we're doing. Let's hope it works. Okay, so we're definitely getting a paint reaction here. A little bit, not too bad. Main part, no problem. Be freaking out if if this was a real build. Oh yeah, look at that. So gray gloss paint definitely reacts to, look at that. Fluorescent marker paint is what it looked like. Anyway, we knew this wasn't going to be perfect. It's just a test. So let's move forward. Hey, you know, it's been drying for 3 minutes. Might as well dunk it. Okay, so that didn't work too good. Not at all. Not even slightly. But, you know, gosh, how do you learn? Now, the biggest problem I ran into there is that, now this is supposed to be black paint. And last time I sprayed it, it did spray black. So I don't know what's going on. But it is what it is. May have to strip this again and try it again. Look at this mess up here. Nice. Wow, look at that mess. Okay, so anybody have any input on what I did wrong? Let me know. It was fun. Look at this dripping from here. See you later. Thanks for watching.